I feel like when I look at her list and see that she's up to nearly 50 words, that I'm getting somewhere. It's worth all the extra hard work and the effort and going to Melbourne and then working at home that little bit harder, and yeah, it's really good feeling.
Doing the diary has been very helpful for us in learning about language development. We know the difference between an imitated word and a spontaneous word. We know the difference between frozen phrases and two-word sentences. She's doing a lot of frozen phrases at the moment, and she's up to about 45 words now, so we know that when she gets to roughly 50 words to start looking out for the two-word sentences, and we're very excited and very much looking forward to all those new sentences coming along.
We use the diary as a record of Nick's speech development, and we find it very useful when we have to deal with professionals, because we can take the diary along and show exactly what we've heard Nick say over the period. And from a personal point of view, we have a good laugh over the progression of Nick and the way he speaks and the words he uses and the context that he uses those words. So we've found it very enjoyable as a family to look back over the diary.
I think once I got into the diary and felt more comfortable, I started to listen more. So I guess, yes, it did tune me into more what was coming out of Daniel.
Once we finished the diary, it was great to have the actual booklet. Just as I said, it's something that I'll be able to keep for Danielle's 21st birthday. I'll show her when she's older, something she can look back on. I've actually still kept a diary going beyond that 100 words, so she can look back on that also. But the first 100 words is something that I'll give to her later, and she can have a look at it and sort of see what she did.
Instead of like passing over a walk to the park or a walk around the street, I really looked at ways that I could promote his language development, pointing out things along the way.
The main thing I got out of it was an historical record of Monique's progress through her first 100 words. We didn't really focus on whether it was a single word or a true word combination. It was more that it was a word. We've been so much involved in communication with Monique that we didn't really care how it came out, just that it was coming out. And it was also nice as a milestone to sort of see that we had achieved 100 words.